miswa. Ayan. Sarap ito. Haluin natin.
Oh yeah.
And guys, for today's video, ako ay nagluluto ng ground beef. Gagawa ko ng soup with miswa. Ayan. Sarap nito. Ayan. So, sinusti ko lang siya ng bawang sibuyas at kunting bell pepper and using ground beef. Ayan. Pwede na natin lagyan ng sabaw. At pakuruan natin to. And guys, ito yung aking gulay, dahon ng sayote para sa aking soup and pechay bagyo. At meron akong spinach. Ayan. Para sa ating soup. Nakulo na siya. Lagyan na natin ang ating. Lalagyan ko siya ng sotanghon actually. Tapos mamaya na yung ating miswa. And black pepper. Ayan. Actually, yung aking ito, nilalagyan ko siya nito. Budget seasoning. Galing pang US. Ayan. Yan ang ating pampasarap. At haluin natin ng maigi. Wow, look at that. Siyempre, tikman natin. Ayan o. Sarap. Actually, you know what's the masarap dyan? Magpapasarap pa. Kahit hindi ka na maggamit ng bitchin ito. Thai patis. At yan, kumukulo na siya. Lagyan na natin ang ating gulay. May spinach, dahon ng bagyo, ano ba yun? Sayote. Galing pang bagyo yan. Actually, kinukonsum na namin yan bago pa masira. Sayang naman. Kaya dapat bigyan ng paraan. Haluin natin. Ayun, actually, no rice tayo eh. Ito, bagay siguro to sa mga iniiwas ng kanin. Ito, maigi to sa inyo. Just follow my instruction how to cook. At syempre, masarap to pag may miswa. Hindi natin kailangan ilagay lahat. Ito yung kanyang pangkalapot na. Okay. Maybe that's good enough. Haluin natin ulit. Wow. Ay na, oh. Ito, sa mga umiiwas ng rice. Kahit ito lang, oh. Solved na yan. O, diba? Siyempre, tikman natin ulit. Sarap. Okay. Ayan. Guys, hindi natin ulit ng last but not the least, but itong ating pepper, ang ating repolyo. Sarap nito, guys. So, gawa-gawa ko ng itong dish na to eh. Kumbaga kung ano yung available sa aming kusina, yun lamang ang aking gagamitin. So, ayan. Whoops. Pinatay ko na yung apoy dahil may steam na yan. At, tikman natin ulit ang kanyang sabaw. Napakasarap at napakalinamnam. Ayan guys. So mamaya magdi-dish na tayo. Wow. Yan. So tell me,
Huh?
it's the soup kind of like soaked up a little bit because I was waiting for you.
It's soaked up.
Yeah, with these noodles.
Oh, soft noodles. Oh, okay. All right. Remind me. No, I'm okay.
What do you need, calamansi or you're okay?
No, I'm okay. I'm gonna.
Wow, this is so yummy.
Fork right here.
So,
Did you put a thickening agent? It's so good.
no, maybe the miswa.
Oh.
Last time I only put the what's that, birchimeli noodles,
Oh, yeah.
and now I got the
Vermicelli.
miswa. So that's what makes it more hearty.
Different noodles. Okay.
So, yan, kakainin namin lang. Itong gusto ko dito eh. I want to put the chili garlic. It makes it so delicious. You want?
Silly. Yeah.
Silly.
Yeah, just put that whole spoon right there.
I think I have to mix soon. We are kind of like running out. Yet, you know what's good here? Put the chopped chives.
Oh yeah.
Did you put some?
I did not. I bought the scallions.
Did you get the scallion?
I did.
You
So I
did?
got like 3 or 4 of them.
Oh, okay. So we have this onion ring.
Oh yeah. This is like hangover food because you had a hangover, huh?
I don't have hangover.
I'm surprised.
Just a little bit. I'm fine. I don't have to take medicine for hangover.
No. This is good medicine here. I like the crunch that chili garlic adds.
Decided the.
Yeah.
So here we have a calamansi. So if you are my customer, how would you rate my food?
Well,
By up to 10, 1 to 10.
this is better than any of the Carinderias that we went to.
Of course, it's
So, and I've rated some of those a good 7.
sarap.
So, I mean, I don't know. Do you think is there ever room for improvement? This is about as good as it gets.
I think
I
this
mean,
is.
you could make it different, right?
I can.
So I would say 9.5.
9.5.
Are we allowed to go increments of?
Yeah, because there is more room for improvement.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Let's get that.
Sarap. And I just make up this dish.
Is that fish sauce?
Fish sauce. Alright guys, so that's it. We're eating now our very delicious hearty soup. Wala na yung kanyang sabaw ay sinipsip
Hangover
na ng
soup.
noodles, yeah. This makes it so good. Also the Thai fish sauce. Alright.